Righto, it's Driveshaft time. I've got my new CV and I got a new center bearing, so new one of these, and then I also got new uni joints. So that's all of that. Nice. As you can see, I've painted pretty much everything except this because I don't know what I'm going to have to do to get this off. Going to try some gentle methods, try some not so gentle methods. We'll see how we go. But yeah, anyway, let's just get to it. Ta-da! A rare instance of my tools and I working together correctly. Thanks, mate. That's overall pretty good. Tiny bit of surface pitting, but overall it's alright. Righto. Next up, that little, this little bit here that's raised on both sides. It's not as bad here. That needs to get filed down flat so that this can mount back up to where the pinion gear goes and mounts. Don't know what it's called. The pinion shaft. I don't know. Anyway. What's going on? Time to put it back together. I keep saying it, but we're going to do it. Let's go. I don't know what I'm going to need to do it. I don't know how I'm going to do it. I didn't take any photos, but that's life. What I do know is that these two go together like that. I'm going to go look at the video again quickly because I'm stupid and forgot. So now what I just did there is I pushed this one over more. Grease coming out of there. So I pushed this whole thing over more. Doesn't really want to move, but we're going to adjust that shortly. And then I just got to get this other snap ring on that side. Yeah, that's now freed up a little bit. That's the kind of movement we're after. I've mucked up the paint a little bit. Alright, next is probably the harder bit of this section of the job, which is the CV. forgot to turn the camera on. I just started packing this with a little bit of grease. Yeah, get that all worked in there. Molybdenum. Next up, gonna fill this up with a lot of grease. I'll leave a little bit for my other car. Alrighty. Well, here we go. Specifies 40 Newton meters of torque. Yeah, baby. Ow. Well, we go get a paintbrush, touch up some paint, and then that's us. Well, yeah, that's it. She's pretty much done. I just got to touch up some paint. Like, there's some spots like that need fixing, and I got to slap grease in the uni joints. But still, now this is it. This is pretty big because it's like the first. I think that's the first thing that's actually been finished, ready to go back in now. Everything else is like at about halfway through all the other projects, but yeah, this one's the first one to be finished. So pretty happy with how it's gone on. All this went together pretty simple, I guess. Wasn't too much of an issue. I've never done uni joints before. Sorry, I haven't done uni joints or CV joints before, but it seemed fairly straightforward, I guess. Yeah, I think I got all the weights back where they were originally too, but I don't know. It's probably not going to make that much of a difference to me. Probably not going to matter too much, but yeah. I'm going to get to fixing up these little paint marks so it doesn't rust, and I will probably see everyone on the next video. So thanks for tuning into this very long-winded episode series, probably on something that's not very difficult, I guess, but I hope you've all enjoyed. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.